Hello everyone and welcome to English, simple and easy. Today's topic is N, and some people say A, N. Let's respect the people who pronounce differently. It's a very simple topic that I'm bringing you today, and the first thing that you have to remember about N is that it's only for the singular. Okay, so we don't use N for the plural, right? So if you have a sentence and if it's in the plural, if you are talking about something in the plural, you do not use N, because if you do, you make a mistake and then you are not speaking good English. And this is not what we want. We want you to speak nice, good, correct English. And above all, I want you to speak natural English, right? So, N only for the singular, okay? So when do we use N? We use N for the words that start with the vowels. Okay, so what are the vowels? So we have A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so any word that starts with a vowel, and obviously if it's in the singular and you want to talk about it, then you put N. So let's have a look at some examples. An artist, okay? She is an artist. You see the artist is starting with a vowel, so it's an A, okay? And then an English teacher. Again, you see the vowel there? E, right? I am an English teacher, okay? Another one, an interesting subject. You see the vowel there? Interesting. And subject in the singular, this is an important detail to remember, okay? An interesting subject. For those of you who are not sure what a subject is, in this example we are talking about a subject at school. For example, English, arts, music. See, when I was at school and when I was little, right, I think I had four actually. Yes, I had three favorite subjects. Portuguese is my mother tongue. Okay, I am Brazilian. I'm speaking from São Paulo, Brazil. I live in São Paulo, Brazil, right? So Portuguese was one of my favorite subjects. So I had Portuguese, English. I loved English. English was definitely one of my favorite subjects. And my first English teacher, she was wonderful. She was a great inspiration to me. And I loved arts. So I had three favorite subjects at school: Portuguese, English, and arts. Okay, so if you want, you can make a comment below and let me know what your favorite subjects are, if you are still attending school, and or what your favorite subjects at school were if you have already left school and you're just studying English and watching this video to improve your English and to speak more naturally, right? And so let's continue with the examples. And an orange, again, you see in the singular, orange, one, okay, one orange, and orange starts with O. And then the last one, an umbrella, you see there, umbrella, so you put an. And it's nice also when you have an and then the vowel, when you pronounce it, you join it, you make it sound together, an umbrella, an orange. So instead of saying an umbrella, make it sound together, linked. An umbrella, an orange, an interesting subject, an English teacher, right? An artist. Okay, another thing. So I gave you the last example, an umbrella. Okay, so usually, yes, if you have sometimes you have words like university. So you see the first letter there is a vowel, is U. But the sound, it sounds like a consonant. So you wouldn't say an university. No, it's an exception to the rule. So you will say a university. Okay, so remember that. So every time you have the vowel U with the sound of U in the word, you do not put an, you put a university. Okay, but every time you have that sound so an umbrella, an uncle. All right, and then when do we use a? Well, then for all the words in the singular, this is very important to remember. Okay, you use for all the other words that start with consonants. So the consonants like B, C, D, E. I'm sorry, no E, no E because E is a vowel. No, just now I'm saying the whole alphabet. But so B, C, and D, F, G. Okay, so let's say a band. You see, a band. The first letter there is a B, so it's a consonant. A course. Okay. A dentist. See, dentist start with D. That's a consonant. So every time you have a word in the singular, it starts with a consonant. You use D. The one consonant that can be a little bit funny is H. If the H has a sound, for example, hospital, see, it's a h. So then you will say a hospital, right? Or house, a house. So you will use a. But if the H in the word is voiceless or silent, for example, hour, so you will say an hour because then it sounds like a vowel, right? So if it sounds like a vowel, you do not put you put an hour, an honor. All right. So these are the two examples where the vowel is silent, so you have to put an. But if it has a sound, use a as usual because then it's a consonant and then it's a. Okay, so this is it for today. It's again, it's an easy, it's a simple topic, and very easy to memorize. Just have to pay a little bit more of attention to the exceptions. And as I said at the beginning of this video, we use a or an only for the singular. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, English is simple, English is easy. Bye.